know you heard that. That's a sound no one wants to hear when they put some brand new rubber on a truck like this. We got the look we wanted, but the truck basically isn't drivable unless we're just going straight. The problem isn't just the height, it's the inner fender. Well, we gotta fix this. So we can grab our fender roller and get a little more room here. That should be simple, right? The offset on these 22s combined with this drop puts the tire in a perfect position to rub right in that fender. So we'll grab our fender roller and get to rolling. That should be a simple fix, right? Little did we know we had to modify the tool before we could fix the truck.
We have the Eastwood fender roller here, and we're trying to use it on the 86 C10. The fender wells, as people know, are much bigger and they got a flat spot on top, so it takes a little bit of muscle to work it. But biggest issue we had was we didn't have enough throw in this to reach to the outside, farthest outside of the fender.
So that's maxed out.
So we had the option of either putting a spacer in to bring it out, or
So we're going to make an adjustment, do our own little fabbing, and see if we can get a little more throw out this way so we can get out farther.
It's modifying the tool.
Eastwood fender roller. This hole was not here, it was here before. We modified it to be able to get a little over an inch of throw extra to reach the outer fender well. You can see, reference it, 3.5 inches from this edge up, 3/4 of an inch up for that, and we drilled a new hole. That gave us more throw this way so that we can be able to roll from the outer edge instead of just the inner edge. Pretty well shows it. That line shows a lot.
Yeah, I guess that is the difference, isn't it?
Yeah, because that's why I left it on there instead of cleaning it off. Because it shows a big difference there.
All right, so what I did is I drew a line here where it was before. That's where we're sitting here. The center hole is 3.5, and from here to center hole is 3/4 of an inch. And it looks like we have plenty of throw. I just drilled another hole. Now we got plenty of room.
And we heated up the paint to about 120 from what the directions say. And then we got this Eastwood fender roller, and we're gonna nice and slowly put pressure and just try to get this inner lip to fold up a little bit so we have clearance for the wheels and tires.